Hey, Snackers, this is Kareem Iskander.
Hey everyone, Matt DiNapoli here.
Welcome to episode 176 of Snack Minute.
I know we don't do these very often, but it's a classic Kareem and Matt episode. And today we're going to be talking about the Spotlight event, actually, that's going to be occurring in a couple of days here. Kareem's helping coordinate it, and so he would be the best person to talk about it. So Kareem, can you give us a little understanding? I believe this is the second one you
Yep.
guys have run. And then, let the snackers know what to expect.
Yeah, I'm super excited to do this again. It was a huge success last year, and it was really well received. Cisco U Spotlight 2025 is on April 24th. It's a Thursday, I believe, and in 2 days. And it's all around learning. It's all around connecting with the community, and it's all around innovation and knowing what's going on from skills in the market today. And so if you look at our agenda in general, it's divided into four tracks. So you have the AI and AI ops. That's a hot topic, as you know. Matt has
Mhm.
covers content from just what is AI and ragging into we get into AI infrastructure. We look at the blueprint between and that's being designed with NVIDIA and Cisco. So we have speakers talking about that. We also have network modernization. This is something that's also a hot topic between DevNet automation and programmability, as well as bringing in to the mix topics like Wi-Fi 7 and what's going on with that. So there's a bunch of great content from a learning perspective in that as well. The next one that's is embedded in anything and everything is security, right? So that's the
Mhm.
third track. So we have all the hot topics around security. And finally, we're talking about observability and analytics. And this is what we've been talking about from Thousand Eyes, Splunk. Quinn and I are doing a kind of a Splunk session that plays off of each other, and it's a really cool thing. So great content, but there are a couple new things in that we introduced this time around. One, we brought demo jams in, which means
Oh,
you don't actually have to sit in and listen to a 45-minute session. We have some really cool demos embedded in the tracks, so check those out. We will have some pop-ups all over here to show you what some of those are. The other thing that we also are doing this time, and I think this is really, really important, is the 45-minute sessions. They are allow you to they're eligible for CE credit. So you attend
oh,
the sessions, you answer a set of post-assessment questions based on that session, and it's just like how we do it in Cisco Live, where you attend
yeah.
this a workshop. Now you can actually get CE credit for these sessions. So cumulatively, you can get up to 27 CE credits for the entire event, which is, I think, if you're a certified individual, that's a huge number, and it's a really cool thing that you come and spend your time to learn and also recertify.
Is that new? This certificate? You guys didn't do that last year,
No,
right?
this is brand new. We
Yeah,
have
that's
a
awesome.
completely new experience from an event perspective.
Hmm.
You'll feel when once you attend, you'll feel as if you are at an in-person event. So it's really cool. You'll be able to have lobbies. We have some really good Q&A sessions that you can join between sessions and ask the expert questions. There's just a lot going on with this year's Spotlight event, and I'm super excited about it.
Yeah, I think the topic tracks make a ton of sense. I really like the idea of the network modernization. I think it's really interesting with the AI ops and everything that's going on that we're at this crux of a big jump in Wi-Fi capability that we haven't seen in probably 6 or 7 years.
Yeah.
So that's exciting. And seeing all the opportunities that we can have for interconnectivity and understanding how the whole broad conversation about AI operations kind of fits into that, I think is really exciting for people to be exposed to. And then I'm actually kind of sitting here kicking myself. I know, Kareem, I owe you an apology. You did ask if I could speak, and I wasn't able to come up with a good topic to fit in.
Oh, there's always next time.
Yeah, there's always next time. I'm a little jealous that I'm not taking part, but because I'm not presenting, I can actually attend as an attendee. I'm kind of pumped about that. It really sounds like you guys are putting together a really interesting virtual experience. I'm really excited to see how you're gonna. I mean, we've done virtual events together, but they always feel like we're being talked at.
Right.
And so it's really fun to think about this opportunity that we're interacting, and that I'm really excited to see how you do it.
Yeah, for sure. We tried to, we did our best to make it as interactive as possible, all centralized and centric around learning, right?
Mm-hmm.
And being able to not only understand the hot topics, but actually get something out of it, whether that's you're in it for recertification with CE credit, or maybe you just want to see what's happening with the technologies. So we kept that in mind, and then we allowed you to also, between sessions, to go talk to the community, engage. Our slogan is learn, connect, innovate. So the connect part is all around our community, from bringing in the CLN community. We have our community managers there. You can ask questions. We have SMEs like Hank, Joe Clark, myself, Quinn. We have sessions where we're just ask us anything and you can chat with us. So, and it's all live. Coming out of our marketing team is 50% voucher on any single titles on the CLN store. So you attend, you learn, and then if you want to continue your learning, you can go and get that that course that you're interested in at a 50% discount. So there's a lot going on, like I said, and it's really good. And it's all free, right? And it's all about just bringing in the community and providing that learning to them.
All right. So this is April 24th. What time do we start?
8:30.
8:30 a.m. Pacific. Okay, so 8:30 a.m. Pacific, a little bit mid-afternoon for our friends in Europe, but that's all right.
Yeah.
And that sounds really exciting. I can't wait to attend. I'm going to mark my calendar off right now.
Yeah,
to make sure that I have, so my boss knows that I'm out for the day for the spotlight. I think that's all we have. Was there anything else you want to share?
No, this is great. Snackers, check out the link on the screen. Scan that QR code if you're interested, but make sure to register and just get in on this. Cisco U Spotlight is going to be really hot.
Yeah, we only got 2 days left, so go check it out on Thursday. Thanks, Kareem. This is awesome. I'm so excited.
Yeah, thanks, Matt. Thank you, Snackers.
All right, have a good one.